In a case study, based on US-based companies, first-level management is of about 0 to 4 years. To understand the supply chain management job and career, we can remind ourselves about the example of leaf-cutter ants. APIX, founded in 1957 as American Production and Inventory Control Society and rebranded as the Association for Supply Chain Management in 2018, launched their CSCP, Certified Supply Chain Professional, program in 2006. Institute for Supply Management, founded in 1915 as the National Association of Purchasing Agents, launched its CPSM Certified Professional in Supply Management program in 2008. Council of Supply Chain Management Professionals, founded in 1963 as the Council of Logistics Management, launched their SC Pro program in 2011. For supply chain management roles, process engineer, and supply chain analyst. For supply chain systems manager roles, supply chain manager, vice president, supply chain management. For sales and customer service roles, account specialist, customer service manager, account manager/supply chain sales, etc. There is a fascinating and diverse arena of supply chain management jobs and career. Talented and energetic managers have great opportunities there. In the USA, logistics alone accounts for more than $1.3 trillion in logistic activities such as transportation, inventory, etc. In this era of globalization, other countries of the world also have great spending on supply chain and logistic areas. With the explosive development of e-commerce, furthermore the utilization of brand new innovations such as AI and blockchain, the demand for supply chain experts proceeds to surge. A career in supply chain guarantees a wide assortment of supply chain management jobs, high compensations, steadiness and job satisfaction. In a case study, based on US-based companies, first-level management is of about 0 to 4 years. They are demand planner, project planner, etc. Mid-level management is about 5 to 10 years. Which is a master production scheduler, sourcing manager, etc. And executive management is of about 11 years, such as vice president of global logistics. New job descriptions are found on the websites of companies, also job sites. To understand the supply chain management job and career, we can remind ourselves about the example of leaf-cutter ants. Those ants eat and take the tasty leaves to the queen. This is a process of taking the product to the end user. This is an innate nature of these ants. But human beings lack this innate nature. But supply chain managers attempt and optimize the steps to produce the necessary amount of product and deliver the product to the end user at the right time when consumers need it. While doing this operation and optimization process, they need to consider even regarding marketing and customer service. APIX, founded in 1957 as American Production and Inventory Control Society and rebranded as the Association for Supply Chain Management in 2018, launched their CSCP, Certified Supply Chain Professional, program in 2006. 3 years after ICA's CSCM. Institute for Supply Management, founded in 1915 as the National Association of Purchasing Agents, launched its CPSM Certified Professional in Supply Management program in 2008. 5 years after ICA's CSCM. Council of Supply Chain Management Professionals, founded in 1963 as the Council of Logistics Management, launched their SC Pro program in 2011. 8 years after ICA's CSCM. Companies need both experience and related education/certification, etc. Usually, companies have some choices for themselves. Some ask for MBA with supply chain coursework, some ask for certifications, such as CSCM, Certified Supply Chain Manager, CPM, Certified Purchasing Manager, CPM, Certification in Production and Inventory Management, etc. Proficiency in Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, and software packages, such as SAP, Oracle, etc. are good to be recruited as a supply chain manager. Sometimes, internships also help to some extent. While facing an interview, detailed orientation is also needed. And due to the cross-functional nature of the job, people management skill is required for mid-career job seekers. Job titles are sometimes blurring the nature of job responsibilities. However, for material and procurement roles, material scheduler, materials analyst/manager, procurement analyst/purchasing manager, etc. designations are found. For logistics roles, logistics analyst/manager, etc. For supply chain management roles, process engineer, and supply chain analyst. For supply chain systems manager roles, supply chain manager, vice president, supply chain management. For transportation roles, transportation manager, fleet manager etc. For inventory management roles, inventory specialist, vendor managed inventory / replenishment specialist etc. For operational roles, warehouse operations manager, facilities manager etc. For sales and customer service roles, account specialist, customer service manager, account manager / supply chain sales etc. For consulting roles, supply chain analyst, supply chain consultant, project manager, directory of client management / engagement manager etc. With disturbances to worldwide exchange, the request for experts specializing in supply chain administration has surged. And the part is getting to be progressively recognized for its significance within the trade world. According to an observation, the assessed compensation for a supply chain is BDT 50,000 per month within the Dhaka, Bangladesh zone. This number speaks to the middle, which is the midpoint of the ranges. Supply chain manager jobs are sometimes called as logistics manager, inventory management, procurement management etc., while these jobs are available at manufacturing, government and communication industry also. Some retail, education and service sector have also supply chain management job opportunities. Job titles also can be as like as operations manager, transportation analyst, production planner, supply chain consultant, buyer and/or planner, demand planner, inventory analyst, procurement specialist, purchasing manager, production manager, head of supply chain, global account supply chain manager etc. You can expect to earn a median annual salary of $77,030, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS, as a senior SC manager. Acquisition of the raw material is the starting point and delivery of the final goods is briefly called supply chain management. Communication, negotiation etc. events need to be controlled by a supply chain manager in addition to manufacturing. Transportation and warehousing information should be managed well, which are important aspects of this job. These areas of a business are highly capital intensive and due to mainly this reason supply chain management is getting high importance from the entrepreneurs. To become a supply chain manager, one may follow a path such as A. Consider earning your bachelor's degree, B. Develop supply chain management skills, C. Prepare a resume, D. Start working as a supply chain analyst, E. Get promoted to SC manager etc. Hope the above discussion shed some light on the supply chain management related job and career. We are able to say that a work involvement at the side of a few supply chain administration instruction can be accommodating to achieve the supply chain administration part. SC supervisors must have a solid get a handle on the supply chain and coordination scene, whereas 2 developing delicate aptitudes to lead groups. Here are a few aptitudes that supply chain supervisors ought to have: time administration, coherent and orderly approach to arranging, decision-making, problem-solving, transaction, administration skills, analytical thinking, communication skills, leadership, IT proficiency etc.